So here we'll be looking into Python installation and checking the version of Python as well as pip. Okay, so let's go into our command prompt. So here we're supposed to type Python minus version. Okay, so on typing this, we get to know that Python was not found. When we get this message, which means we don't have Python on our system. And yeah, that's true. So a fun thing which Windows has is if I type Python here and I give enter, then Microsoft Store automatically opens up and I get to install the latest version of Python from here. Yeah. So I click on install. Most of the times when we're using Python, we'll be doing a lot of sophisticated and complicated stuff we might be doing. So we don't really want to code in all the stuff which we want to do, and people might have already done that. So for those cases, they have this thing called packages. Okay, so packages are nothing but pre-written code which help us perform certain tasks without having to code it. We just have to import the package and we'll be able to use it. So Python provides us with a command called pip. Pip is Python's package manager. So with pip, we'll be able to install various packages available for Python directly, like from the command line. So that's the perks. And the other good part about Python's recent versions is we automatically get them added into path. So and set as environment variables. So a lot of work is reduced. Now that we have Python almost installed, yeah, Python's here. Now let's go back to our command line. I think we should close this one. We should open a new command line, cmd. Now if I type Python version, because the first time it will take some time, but it's still very quick. Here we go, we get our version of Python. And if I type Python, I get to use the Python interpreter. So I just have to say like print hello world. This is like the ritual of any programming language. Ta-da, it prints. So let me just quit from the interpreter and clear my screen. So now let's check if we have pip. So all I have to do is pip version. And this again will take some time because this is the first time we're executing it. Yeah, here we go. We get the version of pip and we also know where it's installed. It even gives us the version of Python we have. So that's pretty much it. Thank you.